Hello, science classes. I'm going to show you guys. I have two videos ready for you guys today. They're both about Flipgrid. One is using how to use Flipgrid on your phone, and the other is how to use Flipgrid on the computer. They're both really easy to use. You guys might notice that if you use Google Classroom on your phone, it's a little more difficult. Flipgrid is actually really easy to use on your phone. So if you're a phone kind of person and you like recording videos on your phone, I recommend using Flipgrid on your phone. But if in case you want to do it on your computer or you can't do it on your phone, I'm gonna show you how you guys how you use Flipgrid on your computer. So I actually have to stop my video now because I cannot record Flipgrid and have my Zoom camera on at the same time. So, all right, so at the very top of Google Classroom, it doesn't matter if you're in earth science, geology, astronomy, or whatever, you'll have a course information section at the top of Google Classroom. Go down a little bit, you'll see Class Flipgrid. You can click on that link there to be brought to Flipgrid. And now it's going to bring me to a sign-in screen. So, like with many things at the Excel Center, you would click on Join with Google. Let's say, remember me, join with Google. And then it's going to ask you, well, which account do you want to log in with? So make sure to pick your mogoodwillexcel.org account, which is your student account. Don't pick your personal account or else you won't see the assignments I've left for you. I'm logging in with my teacher account. All right, so here we go. The first assignment, it says say hello. This assignment, I just want you to record yourself and help us get to know you a little bit better. So there's a few specific things I want you to do. It says tell us your name, tell us your desired career path, share a fun fact about yourself, and attach a random photo. If you don't know how to attach a photo, well, that's okay. That's why I'm here showing you how to use Flipgrid. And by the way, if you know who this character is right here, if you can tell me in your video response, I will give you bonus points for knowing who that is. All right. So you see that I've already left a response, and you guys can go and view that sample response on your own. Let me just show you how to record a response. You can click this big red camera or this record a response button, doesn't matter. So here, this little pop-up box says that I have 1 minute and 30 seconds to record your video. So each assignment I give you a certain amount of time to record your video, however much time I think is necessary. So you have 90 seconds to introduce yourself. So it might be a good idea to leave yourself some notes or something to know what you're going to record. So I'm not actually recording right now. I know I clicked on the record a response button, but it's giving me some time to get some things set up. You can see my timer is frozen at 1:30, which means I haven't started recording yet. So let me just kind of show you all these cool things you can do. If you're used to recording a video on a different program, you can upload a clip from a different program to the website. You can record your screen. So if you want to show me something on your computer screen, maybe I'll ask you to do some research later this term. You can record your screen. Effects, lots of fun little filters here. You can do color filters, black and white, pixely, rainbow. I can put some emojis up there, frames, and text. You can actually type some things. And you can move this around, make it smaller, make it sideways, whatever. And then I told you guys and lots of other cool effects you can do. I told you guys one of the things you're going to do in this particular assignment is attach a photo. So I want you guys to attach a photo by clicking this photo button. And then it says add custom sticker. What you would do is you click on the screen, and then you can't see it right now, but I'm selecting a file from my file explorer. So here we go. There's a picture of my daughter in the snow. And so there's my random photo. So it looks kind of crazy right now. I'm just showing you all the things you can do. And, as the term goes on, these text tools and these picture tools might be kind of powerful because I'm going to ask you guys to make observations about nature, about what you see in the sky or see on the ground. And so you might have a picture from your phone or your computer you want to attach, or you might want to have a label explaining something. So those will come in handy as the term goes on. So I just want you guys to get some practice with it right now. To actually start recording, I click on this red button again, and I have 90 seconds to record a response. So it's going to give me a countdown, and now I'm actually responding. So I would give my introduction. I go and view that sample video that I've already posted on Flipgrid. You'll see it when you get there on Flipgrid. So I'm not going to actually record a response. One thing I can do is I can pause the video. Like, let's say, like, oh shoot, I forgot what I was going to say. I just click that pause button, and you see now my timer is frozen again. So I can, whenever I'm ready to keep talking, I can click record. And this is kind of handy if you want to turn a 90-second video into something more dynamic. Like if you want to move from the outside to inside, but you don't want your camera showing everything that's going on, you can click that pause to pause the recording. Whenever you have everything recorded that you want to, you click on this green next button with a green and white arrow there. So step 2 is to review. So right now, this is me talking before. It's basically showing me the video I recorded, and you can't hear the sound because I'm recording sound over it. Anyway, and then once you can, I think you could do some fancy options here, like you can cut out parts if you want to. So if you are into fixing your video and editing, go ahead and do that stuff. You can click on next. Then it's going to ask you to take a selfie. Okay. And of course, I can put more effects on that. Whatever, And then next one more time. And I was going to upload my video. I'm not actually going to post this video. I just want to show you guys how it's done. But that's how you use Flipgrid on the computer. So I'm going to close this. But that's how you use Flipgrid on the computer. Like I said, I give you guys, like 90 seconds or 2.5 minutes to say something. So before you start these assignments, just take maybe like 5 minutes to think about what you want to say, since you only have such a short amount of time to record your response. Anyway, I'm going to post another video about how you use the Flipgrid app. If you're more into apps than you are a computer, that's fine. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.